Hello everyone, welcome to Warehouse Dataset Excel project. In this project, we have three different tasks. First, we download this data and open it in our Excel. This is our given data. Our first task is to calculate the margin percentage and discount percent. Calculate margin percent. In the warehouse worksheet, add a new column titled margin percent. Calculate the margin percent for each product as the difference between the list price and the acquisition cost relative to the list price. Let's calculate margin percent. Let's back to our Excel. Here we create a new column named margin percent, and we have to subtract list price from acquisition cost. So is equal to G2 minus H2. Also we have to give this in a bracket because we want to divide this by list price, that is G2. Also we have to convert its format. We will convert this format to percentage, and here we get our result. Now our next task is to insert the discount percent. Add a new column titled discount percent in the warehouse worksheet. Based on the calculated margin percent, apply the following discount rules: 8% for margin less than equal to 10%, 15% discount for the margin percent less than 20% and greater than 10%, 25% discount for margin greater than equal to 20%. Let's back to our Excel file. Here we create a new column named discount percent. In this we will use ifs condition. So is equal to ifs. So our first logic will be if J2 less than is equal to 10%, then value will be 8%. If J2 is less than 20%, then value will be 15%. If J2 is greater than equal to 20%, then the value will be 25%. Now hit enter. We get our form result in decimal form. We can convert it into percentage by double clicking get for all entries. Now our next task is to classify promotional products. Add offers column in the warehouse worksheet. Create a new column titled offers. Classify promotional products based on the discount percent as follows: until stock lasts for 8% discount, underpriced for 15% discount, and super offer for 25% discount. Let's back to our worksheet. Now create a new column named offers. Again we will use ifs statement here. Ifs if K2 is equal to 8%, then our value will be until stocks last. If K2 is equal to 15%, then our output will be underpriced. If K2 is equal to 25%, then our output will be super offer. Now by double clicking we get this result for all entries. You can see. Now our next task is to task 3, statistics and totals. Statistic worksheet. Create a new worksheet named statistics. Calculate the average quantity for products in the warehouse and the average discount percent for each brand. Represent these averages with a chart. Use a column chart to display the average quantity. Use a line chart to display the average discount price. Let's get back to our Excel sheet. Now we have to do our statistic part here. Let me rename this statistics. Also, let me rename this as warehouse. Now we have to calculate the average quantity of products in the warehouse and the average discount price for each brand. So what we will do, we will we will create a new column name average quantity, and we use average if statement here. So average if our range will be all the brand names and criteria will be this brand name here, and average range will be quantity. Let's close this and hit enter. We get the average quantity by double clicking. Let me do one more thing. We will fix this range, also the average range, by inserting dollar in front of this. Here you can see we get our results. We can convert this to numbers. Now our next task is to calculate the average discount percent for each brand. Okay, now we create a new column name average discount percent. Again we will use the average if condition. Average is equal to average if range will be again our names, criteria will be brand name from statistic column, and average range will be this time discount percent. And again we will fix this range, average range, also the range for criteria. Hit enter, get the average discount percent. We can convert this into percentages. You can see by double clicking we will get for all values. Now our next task is to represent these averages with a chart. Use a column chart to display the average quantity. Use a line chart to display the average discount percent. Okay, using insert, first we have to create a column chart. For this we will do 2D bar chart. Now we will select data. We will select chart data range from average quantity to from brand average to Nikon. We'll hit OK. Here you can see. Now we will add access title also, and for more information we can add data labels also, but this time we are not adding this. So here our title access title name will be quantity, or we can say average quantity, and here we will give brand. Now our next task is to use a line chart to display the average discount percent. Okay, again we will go on insert and select line chart. Here we will now we will select data. We will select the data and we will hit OK. Again we will, you can say, we have to just display the average discount, so we'll hit OK. Also we can add access titles also. Here it is brand, and here it is discount percent. Now our next question is to create a new worksheet named totals by copying the warehouse worksheet. Use the subtotals features to count the number of models in each offers category. Calculate the total number of models. Okay, so first we back to our worksheet, select all the data from the warehouse table and create a new sheet with name totals and paste data here. Now what we will do, we will sort this offers column. So we sort this offers column. Now we have to count the number of models in each offers category. For that we will use subtotal by selecting the table, go to data, subtotal. At each change in offers we have to count the you can say number of models. So instead of offers we will select the models and hit enter. Here we get the subtotal. I'm sorry, we have to select the offers. Here we get the result. For, you can say, until stocks last we have only 3 different models, and for underpriced we have 21 columns, and for super offers we have 26, and the sum of all the models is 50. We have to calculate the total number of models, which we can which is 50. We can do one more thing. We can click on this one button, and here we see the grand total of the models. Now our final steps are: apply appropriate formatting to ensure the worksheets are clear, readable, and professional. Save the changes and close the file. Now let's start formatting. First, we will work on our warehouse table. Now what we will do, first insert some rows here and a column here. We will bold this and centralize this. Also we can add borders into it. And we can also color this. Now we will format this, you can say, form copy this format and paste for all columns. Now also we will format. Let me select the data, auto fit. Here you can see. Now we will you can say close this in a table. So let me slow. We create a border and let's give a white row.